We are a distributor, but we're also a repacker. So we bring in bulk material via rail car or tanker, and then we repackage it to smaller sizes. So we'll take 5 different tanks, put them all into one blend tank, mix that tank around, then repackage that. Or we'll give you straight product. There is really nothing we can't do. We can dye it red, we can make it smell like grapefruit. Whatever someone wants, whether that's for the paint and coatings industry, cleaning, soaps, you name it. We're using the Wilden pumps because based on the product and working with our pump supplier and costs, this was the most economical and best fit solution for this product. Mark designed and installed this entire room. So where the other room we brought in a subcontractor, Mark oversaw this in-house with EMCO personnel.
And what we have here is the Wilden Advanced Series Pro-Flo Shift pump. It's been a great fit for us here at EMCO. For this room, we're using it to push product to our filler, and we're able to take product from our tank, send it back out to the truck. We went with this pump because of its the efficiency. Based on that, we felt it was a better fit. We had quite a few of them to replace. It's a drop-in replacement from the tri-clamp pump we had in here previously. The piping, everything lined up perfect. It was a perfect match. Really helped out in the ease of installation. And we went ahead and upgraded to this pump, and it's been a good fit for us. It's not had a problem.
In designing this facility, we've always struggled with economics, as every company does, and trying to keep your costs and expenses down as low as possible. And what we found with the Wilden Pro-Flo Shift pump was that it saved us from having to invest in another 100 horsepower air compressor or another air compressor to maintain it, because it's so efficient in the way it operates.
Here at EMCO, as part of our expansion to this new facility, we wanted to add a clean room. So what we did is we have built and designed a clean room to ISO standards where we can fill USP and food grade products. We turned to Wilden to provide the pumping solutions for this. We chose the Wilden Hygienic series pump for its true CIP abilities. It can be cleaned in place, and then it flips over on the stand to make sure that all the areas have been cleaned, basically.
PSG, where innovation flows.